What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi 14 smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, camera and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Mi branding, name of the device. It comes with the collaboration between Xiaomi and Leica. Of course, this is a 5G smartphone. Here we got the information that our device comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. There is another variant that comes with 256GB storage. The color variant we got inside of Xiaomi 14 is jade green, and as you can see here, it comes with high resolution certification as well. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Designed by Xiaomi. Here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin, some quick start guide, safety information. Here we got a silicone DPU case for the back panel. So as we have seen recently, Xiaomi is moving from the transparent silicone DPU case to the black colored ones. Recently in all of our smartphones like the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 series, Poco X6 series, Poco M6 Pro, the case provided is always in black color. And here we got the Xiaomi branding as well. The same goes with the inside here. Xiaomi 14 in jade green. Here we got a 90-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the things we got inside the retail box of Xiaomi 14, the smartphone, a case, USB Type-C cable, 90-watt charger, some quick start guide and a SIM card tray ejector pin. So here on this protective film here you can see some of the hardware specs are mentioned that the Xiaomi 14 comes with Leica professional optical lens. We got the custom image sensor with ultra thin bezel display. We got the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor along with a crystal rich dynamic AMOLED display that can go 1Hz to 120Hz, and we got 90-watt hypercharging on Xiaomi 14 here. So here is our Xiaomi 14 in jade green color variant. So first of all, let's switch on the device, and after that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on Xiaomi 14 we got here. So the setup is completed and we are good to go with our Xiaomi 14. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. The very first thing you will notice that how thin and slim are the bezels on this device. The side bezels are very thin and they are same in thickness as the top bezel. The bottom bezel is just 1.7 mm thick because it comes with an advanced FIAA technology that integrates the display panel circuit within the display instead of below it. So from the front side, the device looks very beautiful and premium. At the top center of the display, we got this tiny punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above the front facing camera, there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece that also works as the speaker. We got the volume keys as well as the power button along with these antenna lines. On the left there is just one antenna line provided. At the top we got nothing, just two antenna lines, as all of these stuff we usually find at the top of the device are moved to some other points on Xiaomi 14. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the SIM card tray slot along with these two antenna lines. The back of the Xiaomi 14 is very minimalistic as it comes with just a Xiaomi branding, some regulatory information that is very well hidden and not easily visible, and this camera module with Leica branding. And the camera module also includes the IR blaster that we usually find on top of the Xiaomi smartphones. So few people might find the back panel of Xiaomi 14 plain, simple and boring as well, but if you are a minimalist, it looks very premium and beautiful for sure. The display of the device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. The device is IP68 waterproof and we got an in-display fingerprint sensor. We got the aluminum frame that comes with glossy finish and attracts smudges and fingerprints very easily. We got the glass back panel, and because of the glossy finish it also attracts smudges and fingerprints, but they are not easily visible, and if you use a case on your Xiaomi 14 then you do not need to worry about the smudges on any part of its body. Xiaomi 14 is 8.2 mm thick and it weighs just 193 grams. Because of the slightly curved edges on the back and huge screen to body ratio on a moderate sized display, the overall grip you get on the device is very nice, and you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. Talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 60 fps, and on the back we got the 50 megapixel triple rear camera setup with Leica Sumilux lens. So we got a 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel floating telephoto lens with 3.2x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel wide angle lens. The 50 megapixel primary camera also comes with the Xiaomi's Light Fusion 900 image sensor, and it is capable of recording 8K video as well as 4K resolution videos up to 60 fps in the Dolby Vision HDR mode. If you launch the camera application, the very first thing you will find is the option to select picture style, either fresh and vibrant or the natural and realistic depending on your preference. This is the user interface you will find, so you can see that it comes with photo mode with HDR, and here we got the Leica branding. We got plenty of options to select like the super macro mode, HDR, AI camera, we got the voice shutter, motion tracking, tilt shift, timed burst, assist cam, and there is watermark provided as well. As you can see, we got the 0.6x wide angle mode and a toggle for 2x and 3.2 optical zoom. If you go to the video mode, you can see it can record HDR videos, and we can go from 1080p to 8K. In 8K, HDR is not available for video recording and you can record only 24 fps videos, but if you go to the 4K, we can record up to 60 fps, for which HDR is not available, and at 4K at 30 fps we can record the HDR videos. If we select the 60 fps mode, then the HDR getting turned off, so you can record HDR videos up to 4K resolution at 30 fps max. And once again you can see that it comes with the super macro mode for video recording, and we got the steady video as well, and the motion tracking focus is provided in video recording, and we got a very nice source tracking as well as a teleprompter feature that can be very helpful for vlogging and other stuff. If you go to the movie mode, here it records the video in cinematic aspect ratio and it automatically focuses on the main subject, and you can switch between the different subjects with just one touch, providing a very nice depth of field. In the Pro mode, you will get the manual control on your pictures. In the portrait mode, as you can see, it comes with the master lens system with many different kinds of bokeh effects that you can use to capture portrait shots based on your preference. Then we got the document mode, and once again for that as well, the zoom and wide angle mode is available. If you go to more, you can see it comes with night mode, 50 megapixel, imaging mode, we got panorama, short film, slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, super moon mode is provided as well, and then we got the director mode. So being the flagship Xiaomi smartphone, it comes with plenty of options and settings. In the camera, as we can see here, very soon I will publish a video with some camera samples of Xiaomi 14 in all of these different imaging modes to see how good the performance of the device is going to be, and I will also publish a detailed camera review of Xiaomi 14. So if you are interested in watching those upcoming videos, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Talking about the display, we got a 6.36 inch LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, so it can switch between from 120Hz to 1Hz depending on what are the activities you are doing to save your battery. It comes with up to 240Hz touch sampling rate, Xiaomi's custom CB AMOLED material on the display panel. The device supports DCI-P3 color gamut, and the True Color display technology is used on Xiaomi 14. It comes with Pro HDR display technology, so the pictures you capture from the camera, and if you watch them in the gallery, it will be displayed in the HDR mode. The device comes with Dolby Vision HDR10 Plus, HDR10, and it is HLG compatible as well. It comes with native 14-bit color reproduction, and because of the 460 ppi we get on the display of Xiaomi 14, it is really very vibrant and beautiful. Even if I bring it so close to the camera, you won't see any pixelation, and as you can see, the viewing angles are brilliant as well. The colors are very well saturated and looks beautiful from every angle. It also comes with many settings and options that you can use to improve your viewing experience on Xiaomi 14. We also got the hardware level TUV Rhineland low blue light certification. We got TUV Rhineland flicker-free certification as well as TUV Rhineland circadian friendly display certification on Xiaomi 14. So you will be able to use the device for hours without putting any strain on your eyes. In high brightness mode, the maximum brightness can go as high as 1000 nits and the maximum peak brightness possible is 3000 nits. So the typical maximum brightness of 1000 nits is a bit low compared to some other latest flagship smartphones, but it's going to be still pretty solid and you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. Talking about the hardware specs, the Xiaomi 14 comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. You got 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, out of which 25.9GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed applications, ROM, etc. The Xiaomi 14 comes with the memory extension feature that allows you to extend the memory up to 8GB more, so you will get up to 20GB of RAM on this device. Xiaomi 14 comes with 4610 mAh battery with 90W hypercharging and 50W wireless charging. So using the wired charging, the battery can be charged from 0% to 100% in just 31 minutes, and if you use the 50W wireless charging, then it will take you just 46 minutes in charging the battery fully. Now talking about the software, it comes with Android 14 with the Hyper OS 1.0. So as you can see here, we got plenty of Xiaomi applications like Gallery, Weather, Mi Browser, Music, Themes, Mi Video, etc. along with plenty of Google applications as well. Here we got the file manager, Notes, Share Me, YouTube and YouTube Music are outside the Google folder. We got Xiaomi Community, Netflix is pre-installed. We got some system apps like Calculator, Clock, Recorder. We got the Mi Remote for the IR Blaster. And here we got some of the third-party bloatware applications, but if you do not want on your device, then you can easily uninstall them on your Xiaomi 14. The HyperOS is very feature rich and it comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to customize your user experience on Xiaomi smartphones. We will talk about all of these settings, options and features that we got here on HyperOS on our Xiaomi 14 in our future videos. So if you are interested in knowing about them, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. As you can see, the user interface is very smooth and you can give the credit to the 120Hz refresh rate display and the latest and the most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 along with the HyperOS. So at the first glance, Xiaomi 14 is a true flagship smartphone in every aspect as it comes with a gorgeous display with huge screen to body ratio, premium build quality, a very beautiful and minimalistic design, fast battery charging and a very promising camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Xiaomi 14 like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, camera samples, detailed camera review, comparison with other smartphones will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for those videos. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.